each and every one of you to this very special occasion, the book launch of the 17th day. I really feel very overwhelmed right now to see all of you gathered here, showing your support to this dream event that will undoubtedly make a profound